Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix no sound during calls on your LENOVO Tab K11 Plus. First, check the volume during a call using the buttons on the top. Press the volume up button and make sure the phone icon is fully blue, meaning it's increased to the max. Next, go to Settings and then Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is disabled to rule out any connected devices like speakers or headphones during testing. Now restart the tablet by holding the power button. Tap on Reboot and the tablet will restart. I'll see you once it's done. After the restart, unlock your tablet. Clean the speaker grills with a soft brush or air compressor. If something is stuck in the speaker grills, it may block sound completely, so it's important to remove it. As a last resort, update your software. Open Settings, scroll down to About Tablet, and tap on System Update. It checks for updates automatically. I have the latest version. If an update is available, the button will show Download and Install. Click it to get rid of old glitches that may cause no sound during calls. That's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next one.